What's up guys, I'm Dave. Today we're going to disassemble this radiator housing off of a 1958 Dodge Power Wagon pickup truck. You're watching Parts and Restoration. First things first, to remove this off of the frame, we've got two bolts that locate
right at the very front of the frame
onto the radiator mounting. Now take a look at this radiator here. You can see the bracketry that comes off the side. That is where one of those large scoop style fenders actually mounts. Here's one of those mountings, all rusty. We're going to remove the grill. We have several bolts here on the side that we need to remove in order to access this front area. Additionally, there are multiple bolts holding it to the underside of this surface. You unbolt the bolts that you see here. You're just going to remove that section right there. As you can see, that's a separate piece. Your grill removed, this is what you should be looking at. I do recommend keeping the bolts from the grill in place so you don't lose them. Now's a good time to remove the hoses that attach the radiator to the engine. Okay, hoses are off from there and there. Next, I'm gonna remove this thingy. Got 1, 2, 3 bolts on either side. The bolts are out. And that just pops off. Interesting, I don't know the name for this. If you know what the name of this part is, leave it in the comment section below. So now the radiator's free. Don't forget about the cap. Pop the cap off. Now we should be free. Cool. Radiator's out. Remove the fender mounting brackets. 2 bolts, 1 and 2. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. All right, here's our front fender bracket. Mystery schmoo. That retain these bolts. Separate the top from the bottom. There are 2 bolts that hold it in on both sides. Next up, I'm going to take off this whole side piece right here. It's held in place with 2 bolts, 1, 2, and get both sides. That, my friends, is how you take apart the radiator housing on a 1950s Dodge Power Wagon. And that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Hit me up on Instagram at Parts and Restoration. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Hit like if you enjoyed it. That helps the videos. And be sure to leave any comments down below if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments. I'm always open to help. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.